Well, hello everybody, welcome back. This episode I'm going to be making a clamp to hold the guitar so that I can work on the sides and get it all sanded up and whatnot. The clamp is designed in order to be able to hold the guitar together, to hold the guitar on its side to the bench. So basically I'm going to have a piece of wood here and another piece of wood here that's going to come in and out and be able to go on angles so that I can get the taper of the guitar. So here's how this is going to work. 18 inches long, 3/4 inch threaded rod. There's two of them. They'll go one on both sides, and there will be a handle on one side and a captive nut on the other side. And then these here are going to have pieces of leather on them in order to clamp on the actual sides instead of clamping in the middle of the guitar where it would break the guitar. Okay, let's see how this fits together. Yep. That's good. Wonderful. Okay, here it is. There's the handles here that spin the threaded rod, captive nuts on the other end, and panels. Yeah, so let's go get this installed. Well, there you have it. A guitar strapped in and everything. Strapped in, clamped in. Yeah, it works pretty good. I'm quite pleased with how this works. I've got these little pieces of leather here just to protect the body since there's a curve on the back. And I got one piece up on the front. So it's clamping here and here. It's not clamping in the middle. It's not even touching in the middle, so it's not going to break any braces or anything. I like these knobs. This has turned out a lot better than I expected, so yeah. Thanks for watching this quick episode, and I hope you enjoy it and follow along so you can see everything else that I do too, and keep watching on this guitar.